In this video, we're going to look at the indexOf array method in JavaScript. The indexOf array method returns the index of a specific element within an array. The method parameters take the value we're looking for and return the zero-based index of that value. If the value exists multiple times within the array, the method will only return the index of the first instance of that element. If the value does not exist, the method will return -1. We can also pass in an optional second argument, which is the index to look from. Let's look at some examples. We'll create a variable using const called countdown. We'll assign to this an array containing 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, we'll use the indexOf method to look for the index of the element 4. So we use the array name, which is countdown, then a dot, and then the method name, which is indexOf. Inside the parentheses, we pass in 4 as the argument. We get 1 returned because the method returns the zero-based index, and the element 4 is at the index of 1. Now let's use the method to look for an element which does not exist in the countdown array. We'll look for the index of the element 10. So we say countdown, dot, indexOf, and pass in 10. We get -1 returned because the element 10 is not in the countdown array. Now let's look for the index of the element 4 again, but this time we'll pass in a second parameter. So we only look for this element from the index of 3. So we say countdown, dot, indexOf, and pass in 4 as the element we're looking for, and 3 for the index we're looking from. We get -1 returned. 4 does exist in the countdown array, but it's at the index of 1, and there is no element with the value of 4 from the index of 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more content.